Hi guys, I'm back with another bracelet making video. I had so much fun making the nylon cord and the knotting bracelet that I'm back with another variation. So this time we have this peach colored nylon cord that I've cut 4 feet long so that we have enough length to make a bracelet with adjustable ends. And then so I don't have my beads all the way to 7 inches because we're making it a little adjustable. So I'm using this bead as my the hook part. So we're just gonna feed our nylon cord through that, bring it all the way to the center and make a knot. So guys, this bracelet is all about making knots, so make sure that you are good with your knots. Okay, bringing it to the center. There we go. I feel like this peach color and the this color right here goes really well. This is supposed to be kind of bead that changes color with emotions, but I don't know how true that is. It does change color if you hold it for a long time though. So on the other bracelet making video, I had my beads big enough for both the cords, two strand of cords to go through. I don't think this whole size is, yeah, this is not gonna fit both cords in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put one through, bring it all the way down, okay, and then when it looks like this, and then make a knot here, so that way the cord adds a little bit of color and interest on the to the bracelet itself. Let's see that yeah, there we go. So then we'll do that again. We will add bead to just one cord and then make a knot. Then keep going. I'll see you guys once I have all these beads strung. Okay guys, so I have strung all the beads through and made knots in between, and this is what it looks like so far. I didn't end up using all the beads that I had laid out because the knots took up the space. So here we're at 7 inches. So I want to now make a knot. I'm guessing about this much at this point here, so that my my button bead can go through and make our closure like this. So I'm gonna make sure that my knot ends right there, and this time I use longer cord, so you know I have plenty of room to make all kinds of knots anywhere I want. So don't make the mistake I made of cutting too short. You'd rather have longer piece to work with, longer cord to work with rather than short. So want to make sure that this will go through There you go. And then I want to make one more slot for this, so that if for some reason I end up selling this, or somebody, if I give it away and the wrist, whoever's getting it and their wrist is longer or bigger, wrist is bigger, not longer, that they can adjust it based on their, or they can use either of the slot to put the button bead in. So let's say if we were to use the second slot, it would still hang pretty nicely there. But since my wrist is not that big, we're gonna use the small. Let me cut this so this is not dangling around. And then you can always use a dab of glue there so that it stays in place. And then I'm gonna use this slot right here to put my bead in. This one. There we go. I am really liking this design. It gives me a beachy boho vibe. Makes me really happy. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. See you on the next video. Bye.